Hello friends, here we have a Samsung Pro Express M4075 model, and we are experiencing a paper jamming here in the ADF module. What causes this paper jamming? Paper jamming is caused by, let me show you, these rubber feed rollers. They are at their end of life, so we have to replace them. Now I will show you how to replace this assembly. I have bought a new assembly and let's replace it. Now let's open the top cover. Just push it up. I use a small flat screwdriver. We have to release these two white hooks here. Release and rotate. Here the same way. Release and rotate. Now we have to pull out the whole module. Be careful, here there is a spring. Don't lose it. Push the whole assembly to the right. Here is our feed roller assembly. Let's open the new one. Here is the new one. Take this spring and place it on the new assembly. And now we are ready to place it back on its place. Be careful with that spring. Let me focus. Okay. First fit here in this white part, then first the left white hook, place it right here and push slightly. Here again. Rotate the left white hook up and the other down. And finally we have to place this spring here in the hook on the top cover. And we are done. Now there will be no any paper jamming here again. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.